Good morning. Welcome to E-mini Futures by Sell.com. This is Ayer again, welcoming you on 20th of August 2017. In this video, we're going to review all the stocks trading signals, swing trading signals that we have been providing in the last couple of weeks. So what I do is I normally send out an Excel sheet where I have the signal date for the individual stock, the closing price on that day on July 26th. The entry will always be the market price on the next day. So on July the 27th, you will enter at market. I give the stop loss. I give a target profit. My 2 cents. There's no science to it where you should take profit. All depends on your risk reward ratio that you're working on and the action. Now, on the July the 26th, I had called some trades on certain stocks. On August the 15th, I'd called some trades on certain stocks. And so far, I'm running at 68% win rate. And the remaining is not losing percent. They are work in progress. So let's go into one by one. So the first one was Cisco. When I called the price, when I called the trade, the price was at 31.7. Yesterday, the price was at 30 points. So this is more than $1, and it's likely to fall further. So this was a very good trade. The next trade was Pfizer, which on 26, the closing price was a sell, 32.9. Now it's in a small profit, but I'm not declaring it as a winner. I'm calling it a work in progress, though it is in a profit. You know, when you're trading stocks, even if you're 20 cents profit, that's a winning trade. In Wall Street, people call that in the trading world, if you make 30 cents on a stock in a trade on a position, that's considered a winning trade. Okay, 20. So it's not easy. I mean, it's not always that you take a position in a stock and it goes $1, $2 in your favor. That's not the norm. Okay, so it is technically a winner, but I'm calling it WIP. Then triple 3M. This one is going against our call. We said to sell at 199. Stop loss has not been hit, so I'm still calling it WMP, but I'm admitting it's not a good trade. So far is going against. Okay. The next one is double AL. That's an airline, I think. So here it's a big winner. Our price was 50.6. Stock is at 45. That's a $5 victory. Next one is ADP. Here we gave a buy in ADP and our price was 106 and the stock actually jumped to 121. That's like a $15 move, right? On 31st of July. We called the trade on July the 26th. So in 5 days, stock went up $15. So no wonder we are bragging it as a big winner. So that was ADP. Akamai is still work in progress, though it's in profit. It's in profit by about 14 cents. Amgen we set to short at 176 price. It's dropped by $10. Amgen has dropped by $10. That's a big win. I should call it as a big winner. I should call Amgen as a big winner. Okay. It is $10 is a big win. Then MU stock dropped to 26.6. Our call was 29. That's a $3 move in our favor. That's a big win. Then STX is dropped by almost 1.2. It's still going to fall. It's a winner. And then moving on to 15th of August trades, Verizon, VZ, that's again a nice drop. All of them, I'm not, just to save time, this was a winner. You can see our price was 80.7, stock is at $72. This one is still work in progress. Caterpillar, CVX drops by $3 from our price. Boeing, who has the guts to short Boeing? But we did, and Boeing has dropped by almost $5 from our price of 239. That's a big win. UNH is dropped by $4. That's another big winner. Um, Costco, we gave a buy on Costco, and Costco jumped by almost $3. So that's a winner too. LILA, I don't know what this stock is. This one is work in progress. Siri XM satellite. This one is a small winner, about 20 cents. So I'm calling it work in progress. Fastenal, FAST is Fastenal. That has dropped by $2 so far. That's a big win, $2. And I think it'll fall more. So that's how I counted all the winning signal and came at 68%. Again, I would like to emphasize the remaining 32% is work in progress. They are not losers. We will keep track of them, and eventually they become a loser if they hit the stop loss. Okay, so like if Pfizer goes to 34 point, then I'll declare it a loser. But if I get at least $1 in my favor, I'll call it a winner. Though in Wall Street, in the trading world, 20, 30 cents are so many of these WIP, I should declare them winner, but I'm trying to be conservative. Okay, I'm trying to be hard on myself. So anyway, all in all, okay, next question is how do you benefit from these signals? How do you make money? So here is what I recommend. Open an account with the brokerage called Interactive Brokers. Their commissions are very low. You need to put like $10,000. They give you 2:1 margin or 3:1 margin. Use the signals that I'm providing and trade stocks with interactive brokers. So even if you're trading like 100 shares, you could trade 100 shares, 200 shares, 500 shares. Like some of these stocks like ADP, $15 move. Even if you're traded 100 shares, you're making like $1,500 profit. $1,500 profit. So by doing this, you can make like $3,000 profit month. Anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 profit in a month or two. So that's not bad. And if you keep chugging like that, and it can be very profitable if you're averaging more than $1,000 every month, and then you can start increasing your position size. Instead of 100 shares, trade 500 shares, so on and so forth. All in all, I think this is a very good performance track record on the stocks. I just wanted to share with you. God bless you.